Number 96. Freddy can walk a certain distance and drive back in 6 hours. He can also walk both ways in 10 hours. How much time will he take to drive both ways? So pause the video and try to answer. Okay, so let's solve this. So Freddy can walk a certain distance. So let W for walk, let W be the time for walking a certain distance. Okay, so W for walk, time of walking a certain distance, and D for the time when driving a certain distance. Okay? So let D for driving. Okay? So first equation, so we have Freddy can walk a certain distance and drive back in 6 hours. So first equation, so we have W plus D equals 6. So this is our equation number 1. And then he can also walk both ways in 10 hours. So second equation, so we have walk both ways, so back and forth. Freddy can walk in 10 hours both ways. So therefore, we have W plus W is equal to 10. So this will be our equation number 2. So the question is, how much time will he take to drive both ways? So we want to find the value of D. Okay? So letter D is the time for one way. So after finding the value of D, we need to multiply by 2 because we want to find how much time will it take to drive both ways. So both ways back and forth. So we need to multiply the value of D by 2. Okay, so let's solve this. Let's simplify equation number 2. So we have W plus W equals 10. So we can combine this. So we have 2W is equal to 10. And then divide both sides by 2. So therefore, the value of W is equal to 5 hours. Okay, so Freddy can walk a certain distance in 5 hours. So 5 hours one way and then going back 5 hours. So therefore, the total is 10 hours. And then we will substitute this, the value of W equals 5 hours in equation number 1. So we have W plus D equals 6. Substitute 5 for W. So therefore, we have 5 plus D is equal to 6. So subtract 5 to both sides. So therefore, the value of D is equal to 6 minus 5. We have 1 hour for one way. So the question is, how much time will he take to drive both ways? So one way, papunta, and then another 1 hour, one way, and then another 1 hour for driving back. So therefore, the answer is 2 hours, which is letter A. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from this video. So see you on another math tutorial. Bye-bye and God bless. Don't forget to subscribe.